Keep relief within an arm's reach with our easy travel tissue dispenser. This handy accessory is compact in size, portable, and simple to install. Just unsnap the buckle clip, unfasten the hook and loop strap, place the tissues inside the dispenser, and refasten. Now secure the adjustable buckle strap around the vehicle's headrest. Snap the buckle clip in place and adjust the strap to tighten. Use it up front or swing it around for backseat drivers. It's durably constructed of woven Oxford fabric and easy to clean. Just wipe away any smudge or dirty mess with a damp cloth. The dispenser comfortably fits a soft pack of FH group tissues or 100 sheets from a standard box and is perfect for the front or back seat. Choose from a wide assortment of colors and make this great accessory a must-have for all your cars.